In TinkerCad, click on the Learn link, click on Starters, and you'll see all the starters. Today I'm going to talk about the Align tool, which is very helpful. Again, on the left-hand side, it's really important that you read the directions that the tutorial is giving you. It says, let's try aligning some shapes, hit next. So what we need to do is we need to select all the shapes by holding the Shift key down. So I'm going to select the first one, hit Shift, click on the next one, and as you can see, this box gets bigger, and I'm going to click on the last shape, and again the box gets even bigger. So it says with all the shapes selected, click the Align button on the toolbar. So over here, if you hover, it says Align. So you could either hit L or you could click the Align button. If I clicked on the middle circle, it shows how the shapes would be aligned one on top of each other. So go ahead and click on one of the circles, and you can see how the shapes will be aligned. And that's how you use the Align tool. Have a great day!